What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the iPad Pro. Alright guys, so here we have it, the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch model, and this is what you guys asked for on Instagram. And if you are not involved with some of the engagement going on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter so you can give me some feedback and talk to me personally, stuff like that. So let's get into this unboxing and see how sexy this thing really is.
Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. Baby, so I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
So guys, here we have it. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch, and I've got to say, Apple's designs are, bruh, I don't know how they keep making such nice devices like this, and I'm trying not to touch the screen because it's like you gotta really enjoy this beauty. But this is the 11-inch model, and it's actually not that bad when you hold it in your hands. It's actually pretty nice. It's not too big, it's not too small. So let's get into more of this. So we're gonna quickly go through what's in the box. Of course, we have the documentation. Of course, you got the bigger Apple stickers and documentation. There's something else in here. It feels pretty thick. I don't know what's in there though. I guess that's it. They just put like a little extra whatever. Anyway, then we have the charging brick, which is USB-C now. Of course, we have the USB-C cable. So this is new. I think Apple is going to eventually go to this standard. I think they're just trying it out with the iPad. So yeah. So now that we're down to a bare box, let's go ahead and enjoy the iPad's beauty along with its accessories. So guys, this is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch model, and unfortunately my microfiber cloth has given up the ghost because I cannot get this screen clean to save my life. So anyway, we're going to start with this side. We have the volume rockers, and I think this is the Apple Pencil charger. It sticks right on right there. Then on the bottom side we have some speakers along with the charging port, USB-C, more speakers. Then on this side we have, I think that's probably the microphone. So yeah, that's that. Sliding over, we have more speakers, and I guess this is more microphones, I'm assuming. And we have the power button. I'm gonna find out what that is when I turn it on. So on the back, we have the camera, flash. It's probably a noise canceling microphone. And I'm not exactly sure what this is. I guess maybe antennas, I'm not sure. And I also don't know what these are, so I'm not sure what this is. So let me know if you know what that is in the comments below. Maybe it's some kind of charging mechanism, I'm not sure. So yeah. All right, guys, so finally we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on and push this power button. So we got this thing turning on, and I'm gonna do a full review in another video, but right now I'm just doing the unboxing, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys, show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna hit English. All right, guys, while I have y'all right here, this is how you do the quick setup. You can, as long as you have another Apple device, you can put it next to the phone, and it will ask you, you'll hover over it like I just did, and then it will set up your iPad or any new device for you automatically with all of your settings and stuff from your iPhone. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, just wanted to show you all that real quick. I'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it. I went ahead and went through all the setup. I'm gonna swipe up. I'm now ready to get ready. So there we have it. The iPad, Navy Federal, yes I know. So here we have it, the iPad Pro 11-inch. Man, I am so ready to review this thing. I'm gonna use it for a little while, and then I will give y'all a full review in my next video. Maybe not my next video, because I'm going to be unboxing my Apple Series 3 watch. So be sure to stay tuned with everything that's going on this channel. And again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat so you can stay in touch and give me recommendations for my channel. And that is my iPad Pro unboxing, 11-inch. So give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below on what you think on the iPad Pro, and yeah, so you can learn how to Apple without the E.
I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, true. I know